Hi, welcome to Archiversity online classes. As a part of your research in stock prices or a stock analysis, you may be performing different analysis starting from running a summary statistics of your stock prices, then calculating the returns on the stock prices. Then you may wish to measure the performance persistence of the stock, or you may want to relate one stock with other stock, or you want to see how actually the stocks in a particular industry are performing, and you may be interested to measure the impact of a market on a stock, and then you want to predict the stock prices. These are many topics on which you can perform stock analysis, and many people wonder whether we can do all these analysis using a Microsoft Excel, because there are n number of softwares available in the market like eView, Stata, then SPSS and all. But those are all software packages which you need to purchase. However, Microsoft Excel is one package which is available with any computer or a laptop that you have. Now you may be wondering whether you will be able to perform all this kind of a research using Microsoft Excel. If you ask me, I say yes. Many of the stock analysis can be done with ease using a Microsoft Excel. In a Microsoft Excel, there is a one tool called as the Analysis Toolpak, also called as the Data Analysis Toolpak, which is an add-in in Microsoft Excel. However, Excel Data Analysis Toolpak is not loaded automatically. You have to add this add-in, that is the Data Analysis Toolpak, into your Excel. Once you load this application, so what all the calculations that I said, starting from summary statistics to predicting of stock prices, can be done with a few clicks in Microsoft Excel. Now I'll show you how to load Data Analysis Toolpak in your Microsoft Excel. In all my coming lectures, I am going to show you how to perform stock analysis using Data Analysis Toolpak only. By the end of this course, you will appreciate the power of Data Analysis Toolpak and how it is going to help you to analyze all kind of a stock related analysis. Let's move on. Data Analysis Toolpak is Microsoft Excel's built-in add-in function. However, it is not loaded automatically. You have to load it manually. Now, to check whether the Data Analysis Toolpak is loaded in your Microsoft Excel or not, click on the Data tab, then look onto the right side. So here, if Data Analysis Toolpak is there, you can see it on the right side corner here. So here it is not there. That means you have to manually load. So to load your Data Analysis Toolpak, click on a File button, then click on Options. That is, options are available at the end of the menu. So click on Options. Then here Excel Options window opens. Now in Excel Options window, click on Add-ins. Once you click on add-ins, here you will find various options. Now at the bottom, you will find Manage Excel Add-ins and click on a Go. Here you will find what are the add-ins available in Excel. So here the first one is Analysis Toolpak. Click on Analysis Toolpak. That is, select this one, and once you select this, you will find a right check here. Then click OK. It will take a while, and you can see that now the data analysis is loaded here. That is, Data Analysis Toolpak is available now. Now just we'll have a bird view of what all the analysis that you can do with the data analysis. Click on this. A new window will appear with all options of analysis tools. That is, you can perform ANOVA test, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing, histogram, then regression, sampling, t-test, z-test. So these are all the different statistical tests. However, while analyzing the stocks, we use these statistical tests in a different context. All my coming lectures are based on Data Analysis Toolpak only. Thank you.